My name is Monique Corley, and I will be discussing the Epic app and why I like to use it with my students inside my classroom. As a teacher, Epic Books is an easy tool to use for reading comprehension. I can create quizzes for my students according to their individual reading levels. Students can read to themselves or listen to books being read out loud. Epic offers unlimited access to over 40,000 ebooks, videos, quizzes, and more activities that would keep the children engaged. And you could access these on laptops, desktops, Androids, telephones, and the Apple TV. What are some of the benefits by using this app for teachers? One, it's affordable. Two, it's a free account option. The students were able to put it in order by age, students' reading levels, and interests. Students are able to also read these books in their home language if it's not English. Some of the options are Spanish, French, and Chinese. And this Epic also offers an assessment where we're able to assess the students, what reading level they're at. And how this app benefits the students is the books can be downloaded from offline reading. The children are able to personalize their account by selecting books that holds their interests, and they're able to choose all their topics as well as decide on what type of games they would like to play. Why teachers use this app and how it helps students improve their reading skills. Epic is a reading app that awards badges and achievements to students as they go along. As they read books, the program tracks the students' progress through video games awards and the numbers of books they have read. And along the way, they're giving a certain goal to meet, and they track to make sure the students are on top of that goal. How does this app help the students improve their reading skills? It's not only a fun incentive game for students, but it also helps them recognize their achievements and the effect that they put into the reading, which can be effective in the long run. How I discovered Epic and what new information was found about this app. Epic is one of the tools that my school uses to work with the students' comprehension, and it also is a good tool to do assessments, and that you're able to track the students every year until they graduate, which is fourth grade for us. And I also spoke to several teachers just to get their input on what they liked about the app and what they didn't like about the app. What I discovered was that with this app, if your home language is not English, you do have other options such as in Spanish, French, and Chinese. Epic is a practical multimedia application that assists students in their journey of learning to read and write. This application has over 25,000 books and is available for students to silently read and independently listen via audiobooks or read um, me books. Also contains many books that have different languages options for English learners. Epic is a various of different senses to engage students and allows them to choose how to read in a manner that's most beneficial to them. It's a free application that provides students the opportunity to learn to read in a way that is suitable for their own needs and is easily accessible to classrooms across the counter. Um, and many schools already have this app. The different types of principles that EPIC offers is the multimedia principle. EPIC allows the students to become a well-rounded learner by exposing them to a combination of words, pictures, and audio. The modification principle, uh, the students are able to read along, audiobooks, videos option is a great way to supplement text with the use of audio. Personalized principal. Both students and educators have an option to personalize the EPIC experience. Students are able to search for resources on topics they are interested in, while educators are able to assign assignments based on the theme of the classroom and what holds the children's interest. The other principles is the segmented principle, which is mimics texts that are broken down according to the age, the grade levels, and the reading abilities, and the books types given to the students of their choice. The pre-training, students have prior knowledge to the materials due to the fact that we use this app in class. And EPIC also does a child-friendly description scenario where the students are able to go into the app and explore, and they could choose anything between the audios, the comic books, and the videos. And the last one is the signal principle, which is EPIC does not use signals based on cues such as bold words, arrows, sharing, though EPIC do use the speech bubbles, thus appropriate font and images for the students. The logistics of this application is when the students use EPIC, there is no fee if they use the account that the teacher has set up for them for the class. If the student or the parents wants a personal account, then they can purchase the unlimited access for $65 a year. In order to log into EPIC, the students do need their account number as well as their PIN code or passcode. When the students log in, they only need to click on their names and enter their passcode. The application is easy to follow. The students are familiar with the application due to the fact that we use it a lot in class. And we also give the students a tutorial. The students have about 2 weeks to explore on their own when they're in this app. So, in conclusion of why I like EPIC, is that it follows the students to their next grade level. So once my first graders leave me, their second grade teacher will know what level they're at and the progress that they've made along the way. Um, I will also recommend this app to parents who are looking for reading books for their students as well as new teachers coming aboard, just because it not only works with the students with their reading, but it also with their writing. And these books hold the children's interest due to the fact that this app has so many ranges of different books and different levels. Um, I do use Lexia sometimes. I'm not very fond of it as much as I am with Epic, just because I see the improvement more using this app with my students and when it comes to their reading abilities. So a quick tutorial on Epic. So when you come to the home screen for the teachers, this is what you would see. You will have the teacher's name, the class passcode here. You will have the student's name along here, and it will let you know how many books that the students have read and how long for. We normally require our students to read for 20 minutes when they're in first grade. And we'll go to the next slide. What I like about Epic is that you're able to assign the students assignments. So if you are seeing that they're struggling in certain areas, you could give them tasks to do in this app, and it will help them with their reading abilities. And if you're looking for outside resources, you can also download the monthly calendar, and there's always some really good topics. Or if you're struggling with a student, there's a lot of good resources that you could get from this calendar that they put out once a month. Another thing we do for EPIC, for our students who are starting in the first of the year, we send out an email to all the parents just asking them to explore the app, and we'll assign them like a book or two to read. What we also do is we do the read out loud, especially if we're doing something dealing with like science or English. And I'll show you once I click on this link here. For an example, we did the Chikmangzi, so the children were able to have the book read to them, and we also had some that did independent reading. So after they're done with the book, there is a small like quiz just to test their recall and making sure they understood what they heard or what they read. And finally, what I really like about this app is that it is offered in many languages, like French, Spanish, and Chinese. And there's a little calculator here, and it shows the children achievement of how many books they read, as well as they are giving certificates. Um, and you can also check in to see what books the children has chosen for their own personal library. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you and have a great day.